I would like to introduce you to Khanmigo for Teachers. This relatively new part of Khan Academy contains AI tools designed to save time and improve instruction. While you will see options as I cruise through the app that imply that you can add classes and students, that is only available through school or district paid implementations. I'm showing you what is available for free to teachers. Take a look at the tools. In this technology review, I will use the following ISTE standards: 2.4.b and 2.7b. First, I will show you the discussion prompts. So my classes spend a lot of time in active discussion. So this is a feature that I can use. So right now, my 8th graders are talking about credible sources. So let's see what it comes up for discussion prompts. Okay, so in only a few seconds, it gives me a lot of questions that I can use to start discussions in class. I would find that pretty useful. So another option I'd like to show you is exit ticket. So I'll do the same thing, 8th grade, credible sources. Okay, so this is a very reasonable exit ticket. I will tell you that if I go to print this, it prints exactly what is shown here, like it's a note for me, not something I could print and hand out. So I would probably take this information, maybe paste it into a Google Doc and put a couple per paper and hand out half sheets of paper to answer these questions. But I think that would be useful. So one of the new tools that I was very excited to see was create a rubric. So the rubric generator. So this is the same sort of thing. So you can ask or you can answer a few questions about a topic and then you walk through creating the rubric. So I'm going to use more points about credible sources. Let's see, here we go. Okay, so it has a list of credible sources. That's not exactly how we term them in my class, so I'm going to tell them what to do with them. Okay, so that's how I would grade them. Okay, so here we are, solid criteria. Says common choices are 3 or 4 levels. I like 4 levels in my rubric. Okay, so now it's going to tell me the description of each of these sections. So in currency, it defines each of the 4 levels. And now if I were doing this to actually use, I would read through these a little more carefully. But I'm going to tell it I don't need any changes to currency or relevance. No changes to authority. No changes to accuracy. And no changes to purpose. So, like I said, if I were using this, I would have spent a little more time reading those and correcting them. Okay, so it created for me this beautiful rubric right here. So it would be very helpful if I could print it. So I discovered that when it creates documents for you, you can go here to My Documents and see all of these things that I've created are right here, like that exit ticket, right here. For some reason, The rubrics are not showing up. So I am hoping that this is just a shortcoming that would be corrected in a future update, because that is the feature that I'm most interested in. So I'm sure you saw there are a huge number of tools on this page. And all of the results say something like, note, this tool needs your expertise to be elegant or excellent. Be sure to review these discussion topics for clarity and relevance. And that is a great reminder about the current limitations of AI. So there are also many things to see in Khan Academy and in the paid version of Khanmigo, but those are both outside the scope of this demonstration.